Welcome back, daydreamers. Today, we're unlocking the doors of perception with a practice known as remote viewing. No crystal ball required, just your own mind and inner stillness. It was studied and developed by the U.S. military and Stanford researchers in the 1970s as part of a project called Stargate. They believed trained minds could see across time and space without ever leaving the room. In the following years, the military, as well as other branches of the government, used these practices to train their own remote viewers. There is an exercise that I have used for workshops with my students that helps to heighten this ability in many people. It is done with a partner. One person selects a picture, say from a magazine or a book, or even the internet, and does not show it to the second person. The other closes their eyes, breathes, and simply begins to describe what they see. Their partner writes down their revelations. When the exercise is over, they compare what they picked up on to the chosen image. I have seen firsthand how this practice can help a participant excavate their own inner knowing and intuition. To demonstrate this, I would like to do this exercise with you. Pause the video, but first find a comfortable place to relax. Make sure there is not a lot of light or noise coming into the room. When you are ready to begin, unpause the video. Let us begin, shall we? I'll show you a blank screen. Behind it, I've already chosen a mystery image. Your job is to take a few deep breaths, close your eyes, or soften your gaze, and think what comes to you, what is excavated in your mind's eye. Your inner daydreamer. Don't overthink. Colors, shapes, emotions. Just speak it or think it. Pause the video again if you need more time or want to write it down. I am going to leave this blank image up for 10 seconds. It is time to reveal the image. Did anything feel familiar? Did you sense the mood, the form, or the colors? If even a small detail aligned, give yourself credit that it was your intuition in action. Exercises like this might seem simple, but they're powerful. This very practice, quieting the mind, tuning into impressions, has been instrumental in my own work over the years. I've used remote viewing in real cold case investigations. Details, names, even locations have come through in visions like these. It's not always about solving a mystery alone. Sometimes it's about finding clarity for others and within ourselves. I hope you enjoyed this remote viewing exercise. My greatest happiness is illuminating others. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments for me. And as always, divine and dream deeply.